Okay, we're making another video. They are just too active and too cute. They're purring. There's a very outgoing one. And this one's a little bit shyer. But they're both purring. There you are. They're both very playful. And when I was letting one kitten out, the other kitten had already escaped and was going through the house, and I was afraid I'd have to be looking under sofas to find him or her. But he didn't get too far. And then when I picked him up, the other one had taken off. So they're very curious, very eager to learn about their surroundings. Their eyes are a little bit teary, like they might have had some stress on the trip. Obviously, not too much, because they're very happy. And they're very sweet. Oh, you want to go back in? You want to go back in? And I'm going to move the crate out of the way for the night, so they'll have these rugs and blankets to sleep on if they get tired of exploring. Oh, there you go. No, I don't think you want to go up there. Now come out. Now come say good night. Good night.